Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a salt brine New York strip, and then there's going to be a lot of extras. Yesterday was my son's birthday. I started doing some cooks on video. I didn't finish anyway, but you can check out some of the highlights. And we have a lot of things going on today. There's a lot of people here, so I have to cook a lot of stuff. I should have fired up another charcoal grill, but I'm going to use the gas grill with these amazing poppers on there. There we go. We're using wood lump today. That's always a good charcoal. Awesome stuff. So let's get this salt brine going. So you put salt, kosher salt, sea salt, whatever you want, down on your board. A nice layer. Then you're gonna coat whatever steak you're using. Go heavy. Then we're just gonna pull it off in like 15-20 minutes, rinse it, and got this idea from Cosmo, so let's give it a shot. His stuff's always pretty damn good. So, salt brine, New York strip. Then I have burgers, pork chops, portobellos, big portobellos. I'm gonna drizzle some Italian dressing in, put some mozzarella on that. I got the jalapeno poppers over here. I'm sure I'll be told I need to make something else. Anyway, busy cook. Let's get to it. Burgers are on. Boneless chop loin is on. And those are going to be off to the side. Burgers are directly over. Do some flipping. Yeah, baby. In the meantime, let's check those poppers. Looking amazing. And now, the star of the show. Those portobellos are going to be pretty good too. But that New York strip, we got to go rinse this salt off and then pat it dry and then put on whatever seasoning you want. And we're going to just sear the heck out of that, pull it off, keeping it rare. Simple. Just kosher salt on that. I'm going to bring that in, rinse it off real fast, bring it out here. I'm going to put it on the Weber kettle right over that lump coal. There we go. Grab a nice piece of that. Look at that sucker. Nice. I wanted it a little more rare, but man, the first time I pulled it off, it was so rare. Yeah, it is what it is. No meat probe. Throw it back on just for a few minutes. Let it rest for another 15. That's where it kind of messed up. But man, that's good. That's good. That dry salt brine, magnificent. Check it out. Rock and roll. Might have been more tender if I didn't have to put it back on the second time. I screwed up. Try it again. Why not? That's how you learn. Keep on trying. Although, end result, still delicious. And these poppers are going to be amazing. Ooh. The smell. The smell on them guys are amazing. I love poppers. How about you guys? Comment down below. New York strip dry salt brine. Have you guys tried it? If not, give it a try, man. Short period of time to wait for your steak. I'll catch you guys next time.